Okay, we are ready to start coding the events for the button clicks. I'll start with the exit. This one simply closes the form and application. So just close. And let's click the new order. And this one will clear everything so we can enter a new order. So our txt order address dot text is going to be blank. Our items ordered is going to be set to 0. Then we have the label items ordered, and we'll set the text to be again just like we have now. If you look at it, it says items ordered 0. So that's going to be our default text. Now remember, we have an array of products, and a product has description, cost, and number ordered. So that's all part of the array. So we need to clear the number ordered and set them to 0 because we are ready for a new order. So let's do a for loop, integer I, starting from 0. I is less than the number of products, which in our case is 10, I++. And here we'll go to our product, which is our array. We'll go to the index I, and every one of them, you can see we have the cost, description, and number ordered. So all these properties are available because this is an array of products, and product is an object. So you want to clear each of these number ordered and set them to 0. Then we want to select the index in our dropdown back to 0, so it will show computer as the first item. So it's gonna be .products.selected index, and we reset it back to 0. Then we'll go to our list box, which is the list box products.items, and we clear everything. So this is on our second tab where we are showing all the products ordered. Then we have the total cost, which is our label .text, and currently, again, let's have a look at it in our second tab. It just says total cost. So that's gonna be our default text. And then we go to the third tab, which has the mailing label. So that's our text box txt mailing label .text, and we'll set that to empty as well. So this will reset all 3 tabs, and everything's gonna be cleared for a new order. So next, let's continue by coding the add to order.